Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this video, we will learn the skill how to we can convert a binary to decimal number. It is very important skill, and this skill can be used in many courses like digital electronics, logic design, microprocessor, computer architecture, embedded system, and many other related. In this skill, we solve some example. In first example, we are given a binary number 101. And we have to convert this number into decimal. First step is that you have to start from the LSB, which is the first right number, and move towards the MSB, which is the maximum number, and we give assign the decimal number, start from 0. So we assign 0, 1, 2 to the corresponding 101 of the binary number. And actually, binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, they are weighted numbers. Each position has some weight. And in binary system, the weight is related to the 2 power 0 for the LSB, and then 2 power 1, and then 2 power 2. So we multiply the given number, which is 1 multiplied by 2 power 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 power 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 power 0. And you know that 2 power 2 is 4, and when it multiplied by 1, it is 4. And similarly, 2 power 1 is a 2, but when it multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. And 2 power 0 is equal to 1, and when it multiplied by 1, it becomes 1. Now we add 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So our answer is basically 5. So in other words, we can say that 101 in binary is equal to the 5 in decimal. We have another example. And in this example, we are interested to solve 1010 into decimal number. And we assign to the weight of each binary bit. And we start from the least significant bit, we assign 0. And this one we assign 1. And this 0 we assign 2. And this one we assign 3, which is MSB has a weight of 2 power 3. This 0 has a weight of 2 power 2, and this one has a weight 2 power 1, and this 0 has a weight 2 power 0. Now we just multiplied here this 1 multiplied by their weight 2 power 3, this 0 multiplied by their weight 2 power 2, and this 1 multiplied by their weight 2 power 1, and this 0 multiplied by their weight 2 power 0. And here 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 1, 8. 2 power 2 is a 4. 4 multiplied by 0, so it is 0. And 2 power 1 multiplied by 1, it is 2. So we write here 2. And 2 power 0 is equal to 1. When 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. When we add 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So we can say that 1010 in binary is equal to the 10 in decimal. Another example, we are increasing the complexity of the number, and we are given 11001, and we want to convert this number into decimal. Again, we assign the weight, start from the LSB, least significant bit, we are given 0. This 0 would, we are given the weight of 1, and this 0 we given the weight 2, and this 1 we given the weight 3, and this one we given the weight 4. And now we know that this coefficient 1 multiplied by 2 power 4, which is the weight of this the binary number. And similarly, 1 multiplied by 2 power 3. This one has a binary weight 2 power 3, so we multiply by 2 power 3. And this 0 has a binary weight 2, so 0 multiplied by 2 power 2. And this 0 has a binary weight 1, so we multiplied by 0 multiplied by 2 power 1. And LSB, which is has a 1 weight 0, so we multiply by 1 multiply by 2 power 0, and 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 16 to multiply by 1 is 16. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 1 it is 8, and 2 power 2 4, but 4 multiplied by 0 it is 0, and 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 0 it is 0, and 2 power 0 is equal to 1, where this 1 multiplied by 1 so is equal to 1. And now 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1, 25. So we can say that binary 11001 is equal to that 25. For example, we further increase the complexity of the binary number, and our binary number is 10101010, and we are interested to convert this number into decimal. So again, we start from the LSB least significant bit and assign 0, and increase one by one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until we reach the MSB most significant. So here you will see that most significant bit has a weight 2 power 7. So this one multiplied by 2 power 7. And this 0 has a weight 2 power 6. So we multiply by 0, multiply by 2 power 6. And this one has a weight 2 power 5. So we multiply plus 1 multiplied by 2 power 5. And similarly, this 0 has a weight 2 power 4. So we multiply by 0 multiplied by 2 power 4, and this one has a weight 2 power 3. So we multiply it by 1 by 2 power 3. And similarly 0 multiplied by 2 power 2 and 1 multiplied by 2 power 1 because here. And lastly it is 0, so we multiply by 0 plus multiply by 2 power 3. And now 2 power 7 is equal to 128, and 0 multiplied by 2 power 6, 64 multiplied by 0, so it is 0, and 2 power 5 is a 32, 32 multiplied by 1, so 32, 2 power 4 is a 16, but 16 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, and 2 power 3 is equal to 8, so 8 multiplied by 1 is 8, and 2 power 1 is a 2, 2 multiplied by 1 is a 2, and 2 power 0 is a 1, but 1 multiplied by 0, which is equal to the 0. So now we add because the 0, this 0, this 0, 0, only one is number is counted. 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to the 170. So we can say that 10101010 in binary is equal to the 170 in decimal. So in this video, we study some example, and we learn the skill how to be converted binary number into decimal. Thank you.